Grade 7. Today we are doing the phrasal verb. I will explain the meaning of those phrasal verb and you have to make the sentences in your homework. So let's start your class with the phrasal verb. As you see these phrasal verb, the first one is hand in. Hand in means submit. So you can make a sentence like I have hand in my paper to invigilator on time. Look up, that is the find and or search. So I am looking up for my certificates. Look into is the check or investigate. The police is still looking into the facts and the evidence of this matter. Figure out, that means understand or solve. The teacher has figured out the problem of a student. Go over review. Please class, before the exam, go over the chapter again. Show up, that is arrive. The guest show up late in the morning, in the evening. Ring up is call. Please ring me up if there is any emergency. Go back, that means return to a place. They go back to their ruler their native country after the education. Pick out, that is choose. Okay, you can pick out your favorite color from this from this paper. Chip in is the help, break in on is interrupt, come apart is separate, and go ahead is start or proceed. So this one is the uh, phrasal verb, and now we are doing. Now today we are studying. Now today we are studying the semicolon. Semicolon is one of the punctuations used to separate the detailed information or detailed exam information, and we can use a conjunction in place of semicolon. Most of the time semicolon, if we separate the information from the by the comma if it's a short information, but if we have a long information to share, we separate it through semicolon. Semicolon works as same as conjunction, but the point is that if we use semicolon, it makes our sentence sharper or more precise. It is a slightly longer pause than a comma. For example, Jack was late for school every day. There is a semicolon. Then he hated seeing the towering school gates. And we can replace this semicolon with the and. Jack was late for school every day and he hated seeing the towering school gate. In next page we will do the exercise A. Mina had to pick her little sister up, semicolon, her little sister was late. And we can say Mina had to pick her little sister up, but her little sister was late. The computer crashed, semicolon, the screen went completely blank. And in place of semicolon, we can use so. The screen went completely blank. The school bag was so heavy, semicolon, all the children except one got into line. The school bag was so heavy that he could hardly lift it. The school bag was so heavy, semicolon, and then he could hardly lift it. The bell went, semicolon, all the children except one get into line. We can use and also. I enjoy school, semicolon, and I enjoy the holidays more. I enjoy school, but I enjoy the holidays more. So, students, what you have to do, you have to write these sentences by using semicolons properly and by inducing or inserting and conjunction in place of semicolon. After that, there is section B, in which you have to insert semicolon in the following sentence, each of which ends with a list. And you have to do it yourself. Gary opened his suitcase and took the following items: semicolon, a thick woolen pullover to keep warm, semicolon, a pair of sleek leather gloves, semicolon, his red windbreaker to keep out the wind, and the Kashmiri scarf to protect his neck from cold. You have to do these things just like this, and you have to write only one paragraph in your language copy. That's all for today. Thank you, students. Allah Hafiz.